Welcome everyone to this session of forensic medicine. Now, I am Dr. Sumit Dalevar. I am professor and head of the department forensic medicine. And in this session, we are talking about classification of mechanical injuries, and along with that, we will also talk about uh, injuries caused by blunt force impact. Okay, so let's first of all begin with classification of mechanical injuries. Now, first thing that a student should understand, that what are mechanical injuries. Mechanical injuries are those injuries that come over onto the body because of a mechanical trauma to the body, right? Now, mechanical trauma to the body can be given by two kinds of weapons. One category of weapon is called as blunt weapons. These are those kind of weapons which have blunt surface, they don't have any sharpness to them. And the other category of weapon is called as pointed and sharp weapons, or you can say sharp and pointed weapons. These are those weapons which have either a sharp cutting edge or they have a pointed end. For example, let's take knife. Now, knife has a sharp cutting edge. You can cut with the sharp edge of the knife, and along with that, many of the knives also tend to have a pointed end. You can thrust the pointed end into the body. So, combination of sharp cutting edge of a weapon and pointed end of a weapon can give you different kinds of injury. Right now, our idea is to understand the different category of weapons. Okay, there could be one more category of weapons which are called as firearms, but that's a completely separate category. We don't talk about them in basic mechanical injuries. So basic mechanical injuries can be caused by either blunt weapons, or they can be caused by sharp and pointed weapons. Okay, now, what are the injuries which can be caused by either blunt weapons or sharp and pointed weapons? When we talk about blunt injuries, the injuries that can be caused by blunt weapons are: number 1, abrasion; number 2, contusion, which in common languages are also called as bruises; and number 3, lacerations. Okay, so injuries caused by blunt weapons are abrasion, contusion, laceration. On the other hand, what are the injuries which are caused by sharp and pointed weapons? They are incised wounds, they are stab wounds, and they are chop wounds. Okay, please do remember, when I say incised wound which is called as कटने का घाव या कटना, जिसको हिंदी में we will say कटना, is an injury which is produced by sharp edge of a weapon. If the edge of the weapon is sharp, it can cut the body. Okay, on the other hand, stab wounds are the result of a pointed weapon being thrusted into the body. So if you thrust a pointed weapon into the body, the injury is called as stab wound. And chop wounds are result of heavy cutting blades injuring the body. For example, a butcher's knife or maybe an axe. Okay, so we have three injuries in respective category. Blunt weapon injuries are abrasion, contusion, and laceration, and sharp weapon injuries, which are incised wound, stab wounds, and chop wounds. Got it? So this is the basic classification of mechanical injuries delivered by